You never know what you're going to get with eBay. I dealt with a nice enough gentleman who I felt was going to be confident in his shipment, and you open up the box and here's what you get. He had a lot of faith in the case here, and sure enough it appears I got it in one piece, but my goodness, the audacity of it all. Anyway, Mike Mushok, Ibanez base, the holy grail, what I wanted from the beginning. Hopefully the contents are a better reflection of the ad than the packing. And this has a very light oil finish, subject to damage from the normally teenage overzealous hands that own this guitar. This one is looking pretty good. Not perfect, but pretty good. The back of the neck, the all-important back of the neck. Are there any dings that were not mentioned? No big deal to the seller, but a surprise for the buyer? No. Along the edges here, a little bit of activity, a little bit more activity here, but overall I'd have to say I'm doing all right. Fretwear, how about fretwear? I can always get you. No, it's going to clean up nice for whatever, you know, dust or whatever. I think I did pretty good. All original pickups. A lot of people replace the pickups on these, making a claim of some sort and the other. I don't believe it. I think these pickups were aptly designed for the special frequencies that a Baritone offers. Sounds good to me.